In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block adult websites on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings, then tap at Screen Time. If screen time feature disabled at your device, first off you need to turn it on, and after that hit Add Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap at Content Restrictions, and on that page you can easily find Web Content. Just get into it. That's where you can block adult websites on your iPhone. To do that, just select Limit Adult Websites, and that will limit all the adult websites on your device. If you want to allow some specific websites, you can tap at Add Website just under Allows From, then put in here URL of the website and then hit Add Done. To prevent anyone from changing that settings, you can add screen time, scroll down for a bit and set screen time passcode. Just tap on it and go through all of these steps to set a screen time passcode. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.